This online trend is by far the easiest way to completely replace your 9 to 5 income, okay? This is not dropshipping, it's not Amazon FBA, it's not SMMA, it's not network marketing, it's not MLM, it's not traditional affiliate marketing, it's not trying to flip websites or anything like that, because a lot of these business models are extremely expensive, $10 to $20,000 to get started. Most people don't have that kind of income to get started, and a lot of them have a lot of moving parts and the profit margins are really, really small. That's why it's difficult to actually make a lot of money with them. Now, don't get me wrong, some of them work, but it's like pushing a boulder up a mountain, okay? This particular new trend that I'm talking about is a lot simpler, it's a lot more affordable. The profit margins are between 40 and 70%, which is why it's so much easier for people to actually take it, run with it, get results with it, and start generating some big profits, okay? I've actually used this exact trend to generate multiple 5 figures every single month. And if you would like to learn exactly how to do that, let me know in the comment section. Just say learn, all right? Go ahead and like this video if this is something that you'd be interested in. And I've actually got a free training that you can check out if you want, all right? Just go ahead and click on the link inside of my bio. You're gonna see the system that I'm using, all right? Exactly what this new trend is. And then check your email because I'm gonna send you some free training that you can check out and just follow along step by step.